I think I've fixed my sound problem, so I've got a video reply to one user's question in particular, but this how-to guide may help a few of you out there, so let's do it. The first thing we need to do is make sure you've got a file managing application installed, and I have one called File Manager. Now, as you can see, if I click back, I've got my storage location, and I've got my internal and my external card. If I click back again, it goes back to my root directory, and inside that is the whole root of my internal SD card. As you can see, I've got one called System, and that's the one we want to get into later on. And then inside that, there's one called App, and that stores all the applications that you have installed on your device. If we go back again twice, back to our root directory, we can scroll right up to a folder called Data, and inside that is another one called App, and that also contains applications that I've installed. These ones are usually pre-installed with the ROM, like Google+, Gmail, all the Google apps are on that in the data place, but the system is where usually your system applications are stored that you install after you've flashed a ROM. Now the first thing we need to do is go in and copy. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose this launcher, and I'm going to go right back and I'm going to paste it into my folder, which is Data and then App. So in my root directory under Data and App, I'm going to paste, and you can see it said it's pasting there. Right, next I'm going to go back to that app and copy it again, and I'm going to go back all the way to my root directory and into the other place I haven't saved it yet, which is System and App, and then paste that. So now all I have to do is click the home button or just restart straight away. So I clicked home, I'm going to reboot it, and once I've rebooted it, you'll notice one thing. Let's just wait for it to reboot and I'll tell you about it. So once it reboots, you can see that it says Android is updating. Now if you've done it successfully and properly, you'll notice this flash pop up. If it doesn't pop up, then Android has not recognized your application paste. So you need to go through and make sure you've pasted it properly. You may have clicked paste and it may not have actually done it because you haven't got proper root access. So you just need to ensure that root access with SuperUser is working, and also the application you're using to copy your data to your system or root directory is actually able to copy that. So now if I click on that launcher I just installed and I load it up, it has worked. So that's the different launcher I'm running now. I'll just prove that. There you go. Right, so that's basically all there's to the tutorial. One other thing you may have to do is actually click on the app itself and install it manually, like you would do any other external APK. That will ensure it copies and adds the permissions to your SuperUser folder. Anyway, so that's all I had to show you today, so thanks for watching and see you next time.